The honest woodcutter. Once upon a time, there lived a woodcutter in a far-off village. He made his living by cutting the dry branches of trees in jungle and selling those. One day, he was cutting the branches of a tree which was on the bank of the river. While cutting a branch, his axe slipped from his hand and fell down in river. The woodcutter became very sad and anxious. He was so poor that he could not afford to buy another axe. He was worried that how he will make his living without the axe. Sitting by the side of river, he started weeping, asking for God's help. As he was weeping, he saw turbulence in middle of the river. To his utter disbelief, he saw an angel appearing on the surface of water. The angel asked the woodcutter that why he was weeping. The woodcutter told him about his axe. The angel told him not to worry. He said that he will dive into water and find his axe. Saying this, the angel dived into the water. When he reappeared, there was an axe in his hand, made of silver. He offered the silver axe to the woodcutter. For a moment, the woodcutter thought of taking this precious axe. However, he was an honest man. So, he refused to take the axe and told the angel that it was not his axe. The angel dived again and this time, he surfaced with a golden axe in his hand. However, the woodcutter refused to take it by saying, "This axe is not mine." The angel dived once more and this time he came out with an axe made of iron. Woodcutter gratefully accepted the axe and thanked the angel. The angel was greatly impressed by the honesty of woodcutter. He gave the other two axes to woodcutter as a reward of his honesty. The woodcutter was overjoyed to hear this. He took all three axes and returned home happily. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy.